Oh, congratulations to every pioneer. Congratulations to everybody because Pi was actually listed today. And you know something that was very funny? Everybody was hyping Pi for the past few weeks now. Pi has been on the cryptocurrency radar because a lot of people are thinking it's going to list it at around $100, $200. Some people are even saying 300, showing some screenshots that Binance is going to list at 300. But currently now, Pi has actually from the actual price, which was around $2 plus, it is down now by 46.46% in just today that it got listed. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could sell your Pi if you want to sell it in any decentralized exchange of your choice. So that is what. But before we dive into that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. But before that, let me share with you. Pi currently is trading at around the market cap is around 5.73 billion, and this is the trading volume. This is the market volume, and we have a total supply of around 9.7 billion, and the maximum supply is 100 billion. So after that all said and done, so let's go back to more information. You could see here that the all-time height of Pi was at around 2.10, and the all-time low, which is this, is around 0.8. So before it gets to this particular point now, that you'll be regretting, because you said at around $2, if you have some amount of Pi and selling now, you could know that the difference is high. So let's quickly look at some centralized exchange, centralized exchange where you can sell it. We can see that there are some centralized exchange which Pi was actually trading on, which has a high trading volume. We have the OKS, Bitget, Gator.io, Digit Finance, known, and the likes like that. And you can see the trading volume here. That if I were you, I would be using this particular three exchange because they have big trading volume, which is the OKS, Bitget, and Gator.io. So I'll be for this particular video, I'll be using Bitget as an example. So let's dive into my Bitget. So if you don't have Bitget, I'll be dropping my link in the description below so that you could download it. And when you log on the app, on the biggest exchange app here, it will bring you on a page like this. So the first thing is that you need to fund your Bitget wallet with USDT. That means if you want to buy, with the hope that Pi will actually increase in the nearest future. That means if you want to hold, I have a particular video that shares how you could trade spot in this on Bitget testing, so you can just watch it. And more also, let's say you want to sell, what you have to do, you have to come down to this particular place which has to do with trade. You tap on trade, so you just have to come here, which is trade. Let me show you where you have all the list of your coin. Then what you have to do is you have to type it in the query here. We just type PI, then you allow it to load. You could see it here. There is it. So now you tap on trade here. You could see that at some point Pile was trading at around 3.4, and the all-time low is at around 0.0001 compared to what we saw on the coin market cap. So you tap on trade. So when you tap on trade, so when you are this place, so mind you is that we want to sell Pi. So what you just do here is that you have to tap on sell here. Sell, let's say I want to sell 500 Pi. Let's say I will just input it 500 Pi. 500 Pi as at this time, as at this price, will give me 442 USDT. And let's say I'm thinking that the price of dollar will still go back to $1. I can just input it so that when it hits $1, since the trade volume are high, so that it will automatically pick it himself. And as at that time, you can see I will have for 500 per getting 500 USDT. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime we upload another video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.